Japanese knives are celebrated worldwide for their exceptional craftsmanship, sharpness, and precision. Rooted in centuries-old blacksmithing traditions, these knives combine meticulous design and advanced materials to create tools that are both functional and beautiful. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 Japanese knives, highlighting their unique features, materials, and ideal uses. Let's dive in. Which will maintain longer sturdiness function. Laser engraved pattern on the blade surface for decoration. Anti-sticking, note, different from Damascus pattern. Don't be confused, razor sharp edge. Anti-corrosion, anti-tarnish blade processed with the unique polishing technology and hand sharpened 16° per side. The chef kitchen knife's blade tapers from the spine to the cutting edge for effortless precision cutting, as well as greater stability and durability. 15% chrome, which provides corrosion resistance and an anti-tarnish finish. Full tang construction. Ergonomic design. Mosfiata ergonomic knife handle is made of santoprene for comfort and polypropylene for durability. It features textured finger points that provide slip resistance and a better grip. The solid micarta handle can minimize wrist tension while providing a secure, comfortable grip no matter the size of your hand or where you are gripping the handle. Triple riveted micarta handle to the precise forged full. Number 5. Mosfiata 8-inch super sharp professional chef's knife with finger guard and knife sharpener. German high carbon stainless steel EN 1.4116 with micarta handle and gift box. About this item: high carbon German stainless steel laser engraved pattern, not Damascus pattern. Mosfiata 8-inch Pro Chef's knife is made of premier high carbon German EN 1.4116 stainless steel with high strength and increased rigidity. The kitchen knife contains 0.45 to 0.55% carbon, twice hardness than other knives. Tang for extra strength. Durability. Professional kitchen chef knife. The multifunctional cooking knife can easily handle your daily kitchen tasks of cutting, slicing, chopping, mincing and dicing of fruits, vegetables, and all kind of meat. A professional and all-rounder home cook's knife for you. Number 4. Imarka Chef Knife 8-inch Home Essentials Sharp Kitchen Knife. HC Steel Japanese Knife Pairing Knife. Valentine's Day gifts for her/him. Birthday gifts for mom/dad. Kitchen gadgets with premium gift box. About this item: high carbon stainless steel blade. It is manufactured from high quality stainless steel that maintains its functionality for a long time. And to boost its sturdiness, the steel contains 0.6 to 0.75 carbon. This makes it 2 times as hard as other knives in its class, as they contain about 0.3% carbon. Multifunctional knife. The Gyuta knife is classified and designed to be a multipurpose knife for professional applications. It cuts, dices, slices, chops and also cuts meat off bones. It comes with a HRC Rockwell hardness scale of 56 to 58, which makes it among the tough knives in its class. Ergonomic Paka handle. To make it more professional and minimize any fatigue, finger numbness, or aches after holding it continuously for an extended time, the knife's handle is made from Paka. This is material that originates from Africa and it's known for its comfort, strength, and stability. Ultra-sharp edge. Sharpness is key to achieving the best cuts, and this is evident in the knife's blade, which is quite sharp and will remain this way even after tough tasks such as cutting tough meat or removing flesh from bones. The sharpness is further boosted by use of the latest Japanese engineering. Number 3. Paudin Chef Knife 8-inch high carbon stainless steel sharp kitchen knife with ergonomic handle. Gift box for family restaurant. About this item: professional chef's knife. This Paudin kitchen knife is suitable for cutting bread, vegetables, fillets or meats, etc. and is also suitable for home and professional use. Cutting like a master chef will bring you more joy in the kitchen. Multifunctional chef knife. This 8-inch chef knife can easily handle your daily chores in kitchen of chopping, slicing, mincing and dicing fruits, vegetables and several meat varieties including fish, chicken and beef etc. It truly is the all-around cooking knife, ultra-sharp knife. For any meat knife, sharpness is the most important feature, and at Paudin we ensure to provide you our best sharp knives in the market. The thickness of this kitchen knife is 2 millimeters, which is ideal to do the job well. Hand polished by craftsmen with decades of experience to ensure long-lasting sharpness. Ergonomically wood handle. This Paudin chef knife has a blade that is integrated with a soft and comfortable handle which gives you the perfect grip. The ergonomic shape gives you the right balance between the handle and the thin blade, ensuring ease of movement, best design and customer service. This knife has a blade that is special waved pattern is particularly striking. 5cr15 Movi stainless steel kitchen knives, not real Damascus. We offer 100% satisfaction or money-back policy. Number 2. Brewin Chef Philosophy Japanese Chef Knife Set 5 PCS with elegant red packwood handle, ergonomic design, professional ultra-sharp kitchen knives for cooking, high-carbon stainless steel. About this item. Design philosophy. The Chef Philosophy series professional kitchen knife set from Brewin combines cutting-edge kitchen technology with premium design philosophies. This 5-piece set of kitchen knives spares no attention to detail, for top-shelf cooking knives that have been painstakingly crafted with expert chefs in mind. Brewin is obvious choice, razor sharp with durability. This stainless steel knife set features rock-solid design crafted from durable materials, with a score of 56 on the Rockwell hardness scale. Our chef knife set professional solution uses ultra-tough 1.4116 German stainless steel forged from a unified piece of rust-proof metal. When you need kitchen accessories that will hold up under any conditions, choose Brewin. Premium quality. Each chef knife set has undergone stringent quality inspection and hundreds of hours of development with leading kitchen experts. This set of 5 chef knives is crafted to the highest standards with chefs and kitchen experts in mind. The Brewin promise is this: if we wouldn't use this cooking knife set ourselves, we won't sell it. Elegance balance. Unlike some other chef's knives, the Chef Philosophy series from Brewin features perfectly balanced handles that are easier to hold. Number 1. Paudin Nakiri Knife, 7-inch razor-sharp meat cleaver and vegetable kitchen knife, high-carbon stainless steel, multi-purpose Asian chef knife for home and kitchen with ergonomic handle. About this item, all-purpose Nakiri knife. The classic 7-inch kitchen knife is flexible for all kinds of heavy-duty preps, like slicing, dicing, chopping and mincing. A truly all-around cooking knife, is easy to resharpen, clean and maintain. Ultra-sharp edge. The blade of Paudin cleavers is made of 5cr15 MOV stainless steel, not real Damascus, with 56 hardness. The razor-sharp cutting edge allows you to cut foods effortlessly. All the world-renowned cutlery brands adopt the same steel, which is rust-proof and durable for long-time use. Ergonomic handle. The ergonomic shape perfect balances the handle and the thin blade at the pinch point, ensures the ease of movement. The soft packwood handle is integrated with the Japanese Nakiri knife's blade, creating comfortable grip. Wave pattern. The special waved pattern is strikingly beautiful, like a Damascus knife. It decreases food friction and makes the vegetable cleaver easy to clean and maintain. Elegant gift. This meat vegetable chef knife is a best gift with beautiful packing for Christmas, weddings, birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day. We offer 100% satisfaction or money-back policy. Paudin provides a lifetime against defects in material and workmanship.